Hey everybody, Kevin here at Brown's Homestead Harvest House. Hey, I put a little clip out on the Instagram and Facebook on what I'm doing here. I just wanted to go a little more in depth for the YouTube channel on a little fertilizer experiment that I'm doing here on the zucchini and the pumpkin pods that are behind me. So half of them from this pole right here to my right, this way obviously, is gonna be one fertilizer, and then from the pole that way to the left in that area of the little pumpkin pot area is going to be a different fertilizer. So I'm going to be using, and I found this one last year on Amazon, and it's called Jack's All-Purpose 2020 fertilizer. It's a solid water soluble one, so you take about a tablespoon, mix it in a gallon and a half, and direct feed it down to the roots at the base of the plant. And it works really good. I liked it. It's usually about an every 2-week fertilizer type of thing. And it's blue, and it goes on your plants down at the roots. It's really good. Then the second one Shelly found last year, and this one is Your Garden Pro, Lawn and Garden Pro. And this is an all-purpose bio-fertilizer. So it puts a lot of the good bacteria and promotes all of that stuff organically in the soil. And you can douse the leaves, everything of the plant. It puts a coating on it, absorbs it, and the plant just takes off. I noticed with both of these fertilizers, they did pretty good, but this one did a little better. And that's why I'm kind of wanting to see how these things react in the pumpkin and the zucchini garden here behind me. So this one is 1 little teaspoon. I don't even think it's a teaspoon. I think it's like maybe a half a teaspoon per gallon of water. And yeah, there you go, just so you can see. If you can find this, I recommend it. It's really good. So is Jack's, but I have one of these plastic waterers. It's 2 gallons, so obviously 2 little scoops in that. And I actually did a test sample of them, and I watered this half already with it and fertilized it, and this half also with the Jacks. And in a couple weeks we'll follow up on this, and we'll see if there's any growth differential, because they're all looking pretty about the same here. And you can see, what the heck are you, if you can see them, these are zucchinis, and then the pumpkins, so they're 4 or 5 inches tall. And they're different types of pumpkins also. And I'm gonna add the all-purpose bio-fertilizer to our cabbage right here. Give it a little kick in the butt, and to some of Shelly's cucumbers, which are doing really well over here. These are her pickling cucumbers, which they're doing really well as it is. And then these 5 or 6 over here are her slicers. And I'm gonna give them all a little kick in the butt and see how they do. And so I just wanted to kind of run this experiment so we can kind of turn things over to you guys, and maybe you can send a comment or something to what you guys use. I don't like using a whole lot of that chemical stuff to fertilize, because obviously we're eating it and stuff, but I do use a lot of organic stuff when we do chickens and stuff like that. So I'll keep you updated on this. The garden is looking pretty good over here so far. We put that awning up right there because it gets so dang blasted hot, and we get anywhere from 10 to 12 hours of scorching heat here. So I try to protect the plants every now and then, so we put up these sunshades in areas to give them a break. So, but right now we haven't been that scorching hot. So, but they're doing good. But we've got all of these. It's just kind of cool here. We got all of these rogue volunteer sunflower plants everywhere. We had maybe 2 plants last year. And dude, I don't know if the birds or what got them, but they spread everywhere. So we got them here, a couple, there. Over there, they're sprouting up. Over there along the fence line is 3 or 4. We got them everywhere, and they're about like 5 foot tall sunflowers, which is kind of cool. And they're the big head yellows. But we also planted like 25 different color sunflower plants, you know, purple, blues, crimson, reds, all these burnt type of colors everywhere. And we'll see. We're probably only going to get about a 10% yield off all of them for the growth. But later on this summer, once they start flowering, we're going to film that and go from there. Chicago's looking pretty good. We still got a couple more little updates there. But anyways, I'll be signing off, and we'll keep you posted on the fertilizer experiment. Have a great day. Talk to you later.